like, and subscribe.
Hello guys, today's video, maglalaro pala tayo ng Oops, I Failed My Math Test. So tara na. So, thank you pala sa 200 subscribers. Okay? Salamat sa lahat. So yan, maglalaro pala tayo ng Oops, I Failed My Math Test. Okay? Tara na. Start na natin to. Chapter 1 muna tayo, of course. Diba? Chapter 1 muna. Unahin natin chapter 1, bago chapter 2. Parang ito rin nilaro natin. Lakasan ko lang yung volume. Okay everyone, that's it for today. Before you leave, I will hand out of your final test, Matis. But not you, Mikmak 1 to 7. You need to stay after class. We need to have the rest of you came up here and get them. Guys, ba't kayo binigyan ng Matis? Classmate lang natin, lakasan ko. Oh, biscuits. This could only mean one thing. Paano yung mistake na bigyan? I failed again. Okay. So, what is it, teacher? Right, so you didn't do well on your test. Oh, sabi ko sa'yo eh. You failed for the 41. Lagi. Oh, bro. My mom won't be happy about this. You can take a look at your test here. Oh my god, please don't tell my mom, okay? If you don't get an A on your next test, you won't pass this grade. Oh. I'm just gonna go home now before my mom comes home. Guys, ang baba nating tayo makakuha ng grade pag ano. F pala tayo. Gagawin lang dito. I need to find a way to hide this test quickly. Mom comes home. Ano ito? Tignan natin. Dito. Dito na lang. Ako lang dito. Iba ka mag-cause ng problem. Ano ko kaya ilalagay? Please! Dito na lang. Hindi makikita yan. Go. Please! Uy! Yun! Ma'am. Yun na. Makuwi na yung ma'am natin. Talk to ma'am. Objective. Talk to ma'am. Saan yung ma'am? Where's our ma'am? Oops, ayun pala. I'm so tired. I've had to carry these stupid papers 5,900. I'm sick of my job. Oh well, time to shred them. Pagod na pala si ma'am. Uy, lagot. Oh no! Makita yung ano natin, guys. Yung test tape. No, matis. Makita yung ano natin. Makita na yung matis. Oh no, guys. Ano natin mga ana? Hindi pala yung ano natin test paper. Why isn't it working? Enough with you. Well, I really needed to ventilate my anger. Sorry, everybody. Never mind. What the heck is this? Not again. This better not be another one of Miss Max test. OMG, it's she failed again. I swear it's the 177th time. Ba yun? No, I seriously have bite. Get up now. Mom, don't wake me up. Don't you dare use that tone with me, Miss Max. What the heck? It's sleep, Miss Max. Go away, I'm trying to sleep. Now, if you don't mind, good night. Uy, laging ko na yun. Ang ending na to is shredded disaster. I think you made mom a bit too much. Oh no. Play again. Yan. Ulit-ulitan tayo hanggang sumahan natin itong ano. Lahat ng chapter. Ay hindi, lahat ng mga hindi itong tawag dun. Basta. Ending. Pag nakuha natin lahat ng ending ito, may tapos ang video na ito, may mag-end natin. Susunod na ang chapter 2. Okay. Play again. Skip ko na to. Skip. Ito chapter 1 tayo. Skip, ano ko na yung intro. Tinanggal ko na. Ayan, go inside the house. Please. Feel ko, lalagay ko lang ito sa toilet. May target dito. Fry test. Ay, lutuin natin. Baka mas maganda to. Lutuin na lang natin yan. Ako ba, yung aso pa kainin ko sa aso. Biscuit. Hina. Oh no. Talk to mom ulit. Ano na? Punta sila yung mom. Ano naman, naluluto dyan ng paray mom. Let's go. Well, play. I wonder it's gonna get any worse. What's that noise? Oh no. Mikmak, what are you doing? Making dinner. Well, that's amazing. I'm very proud of you. Akala mom natin na mag-design. So what are we having? Paper? What do you mean? Parang naging dama ko dito. Mikmak. No, please. What the heck do you think you're doing? I told you I was making dinner. You're going to burn my house down. And is that your mates? Maybe. Lagot, papa. You're so grounded. Diba sabi ko magagalit ka naman sa mga. Oh no, kasunod yung bahay natin. What have you done? Oops. But that wasn't supposed to happen. Oh my gosh. Wala. What's that noise? Umapog ang bahay natin! Wala na. House fire. Yun yung ending. Legend. Intro na naman. Skip ko na lang. Okay, go na. Skip ko na ito. Let's go. Oh no. Papakainin ko lang sa dog. Hurry. Okay, inom mo. Inom mo yan. Sino niya tumutunog pag tumatanong ako? Narinig niya? Hindi. Ayun na. Talk to mom. Let's go. Bilis. Open. Hello. Well, hello mom. We meet again. What are you doing home so early? Why you're being weird for? Where's your mates, Mikmak? Oh no. I got a call today. They said you have it. Uh-oh. I got no clue what you're talking about. Don't play dumb with me. Where is it? I don't know. Alright then, I'm calling the school. Oh, and also, you didn't forget to feed the dog, did you? No, Mom, I fed him. Don't worry about that. Alright. Oh, sino ka? Oh my God. Biscuits. What happened? What did you do, Mikmak? I didn't do anything. What did you feed him? Wait a minute. What's that? Oh, kita pala yung F. Oh my. What is that? An F on it. Wait a second. An F? What did you feed? You feed my dog. Food. What F? Well, that does not look like a food. Does it? Whoa. Mom, chill! We don't need to be like that now, do we? Give me one good reason why. Okay, fine. It was my mistake. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Wait, what? You told the truth? Yes. I'm sorry. Well, in that case, let's pretend this never happened. Really, mom? Nah, lol. Akala ko guys ano? Oh, akala ko good end. Dog ending good. Oh. Let's go. Ito lang yung last natin ending na to. Kung ano, let's go. Last ending na to, ang pwede ko itatago. Pati papakita ko, wag kong wag kong itago. Let's see. Maghintay na ako sa mom. Pag nakita niya to, hindi natin kung magagalit siya. Let's go, stand lang tayo dito. Skip ko na. Ayan na yung mom. Hala. Oh no, ito na yung last. Talk to mom. Welcome home, mom. Hey, Mac. Excuse me, what is that in your hand? Did I see something red on that? No, I don't think so. Show me it right now. No! Oh my god, what I am seeing here? You are so grounded. No! Oh, okay, hindi pa yun yung last ending. What if ano guys? Baguhin natin tong sulat. Baguhin kayo natin, pwede ba? Yun, lagyan natin dito. Ayan. So, sana baguhin yung sulat. Hintayin na natin si mom. Ito na yung last part guys, tapos i-end ko na ang video. Let's go. Objective talk to mom. Ayoko na guys, baka pagalitan tayo ulit. Hi mom! I don't have lots of time. I'm just gonna do something, okay? Okay, I guess. Let's hope this paper will load on here. I know mom got some editing program. Right, let's hurry up before mom gets in. Guys, papalitan natin! Papalitan natin ng ano. Oh yeah, here it is. Let's go! Now, all we gotta do is change this into an A. Papalitan natin guys. Ay, baka mag-happy. Finally done. Okay, so wait. How do I print this now? I think it's this button. Baka maging happy ang mom natin. Ooh, I think something happened. Ooh, yeah. Let's get it. Oh my! Yes, ay tayo guys! Happy na si mama din. I think this is a good ending na to. Feel ko ma-end na yung video. Oh my. Hi mom! What are you doing in my room? Better not be anything bad. No, it's mom. I was here to surprise you. I passed my test. Look! Oh, wow. Really? That's amazing. Let me see. Happy mom natin! That's great. You are amazing. Thank you. Yes, guys. Good ending. Printer ending. Good ending. So, dito na may end ang ating video. So, yun. Kung mag-comment na lang kayo kung gusto niyo ng chapter 2. So, thank you pala sa mga sa akin. Subscribe. So, thank you pala sa inyo lahat. Dito natin may end yung video natin. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.